Yo, what it do, squad? It's your boy C's once again from theseedsoflife.com. And I wanted to jump on and make a quick video because one, I am still on this 90-day challenge. So that means I have to update you guys every single day for 90 days. Before I jet out and go do some sessions, I just wanted to give you guys an update on getting started. All right, so they're really getting started at this point. The barrier of entry is just so low. I always tell the coaches that I'm working with that it is just the lowest that it's ever been, right? But it does take a lot of hard work. So getting started, I would recommend that you build your own platform. And what I mean by that is your own website, your own content, because platforms like this, I'm using YouTube right now. So if you're watching me from YouTube, one change in their algorithm can just totally crush your business, right? So what you want to use those platforms for is to generate leads. And when you generate those leads, you want to convert those true fans onto your own platform. How you be able to do that? One, an email list, and two, your own platform, meaning your own website. So how are you going to be able to do that? I'm going to just give you a quick little tip on how to construct it. Step one, you're going to need web hosting. Hosting is like your digital landlord. So the best hosting service I would recommend is A2 Hosting. I'll put the links down below. Note, I am an affiliate for them, but I do use them with all of my clients as well. So trust me, they do great work. And if you want to join the affiliate program as well, you can do so in the link below. I would recommend joining them, putting your website, get rid of Squarespace or Wix. Those aren't the platforms that you want to be on. You want to be on Wordpress.org, which is an open source application that 60% of the internet is using right now. So I'll also link them down below in the description. And then next, you want to go with an email service provider. All right, the email service provider I use is called ConvertKit. Also, I am an affiliate for them, full disclosure. So if you do click on any of these links down below, I do get a commission at no additional cost to you. So it's a win-win for you and for me. And also the Divi theme. So once you get web hosting, and once you also get WordPress, you're also going to need a theme installed. Now, I recommend the Divi theme because their theme is the most flexible theme application that WordPress has currently. If there is another one, I'm not aware of it. Oh wait, I think Thrive Themes is also another good one, but I don't use Thrive Themes. Tongue twister. I use the Divi theme, and once you check out their website, also a link below, you will see the power of this theme. All right, so build yourself a website, build yourself your own platform, get your own email list, grow that email list, and provide value, man. And then you just see it just snowball effect. You know, it's truly an awesome thing. All right, hopefully that tip helped getting started. I will go more in depth in a different video. I'm just, as these thoughts come, I'm just putting them out there. All right, I'm just taking action, as so should you. All right, so get those, build your platform. If you want more in depth on how I construct my website and my coaches' websites, feel free to leave a comment or hit me in the DM, hit me in the email. Join the tribe and holler back at your boy. See you guys tomorrow, man.